file this one away as a simple side dish, but mind-blowingly fantastic. Please excuse the blurriness here. I'm trying something called a point of view shot. Apparently it's very popular amongst certain segments. Enough of that. Let's get started. Heat a pan until it's blazing hot, but not nuclear hot. Don't put any oil in it yet. That comes later. From start to finish, this is only going to take as long as it takes to get the asparagus a little bit tender. Blister them a little bit. We're looking for crisp on the inside and tender on the outside. The reason we got the pan so hot to begin with is we want the outside blistered. You're going to be able to feel it with your tongs when they get a little more tender. When you get them as tender as you like them, put some olive oil on them, add salt and pepper, and put a copious amount of shredded Parmesan cheese. Yes, I shred the Parmesan cheese myself, so settle down. Now finish it with lemon zest with your microplane. Try to get just the yellow part, which is called the flavado, but not so deep. You get the white part, which is called the albedo. The albedo has a bitter taste, so no thanks in this recipe. It's tidbits like this that make you a better cook. And finally, we zest because we want the concentrated sweet taste of lemon, but not the acidity found in tart lemon juice. And finish that bad boy off with a little pat of butter, because butter. Now go plate that mother, and you've got the saltiness of the Parmesan, the sweet concentrated lemon zest, and the 1-2 punch of tender and crispy asparagus. I'm in.